Unboxing Nomad Camino with Pretty and Nene.
Beauty. Hey, beauty. Unboxing Nomad Camino helmet. Nomad is a brand which leaders classic segment of helmets. Fruity behave. Wow. Box pa lang, classic na. Nomad. And let's check out what is inside the box. Protein. Excuse. Wow. So, spare clear visor. Distorted. No grade at all, so no distortion for your visual. And free face mask. Panty. Hot. Free face mask or balaklava. Then the helmet itself. It's nicely wrapped for its safety along the travel. Now let's check out. Helmet bag. Wow! Pearl white. Then one for sticker. It's sticker. No, check out the way. Check if there's damage. Nice. Wow. Nomad